Hey guys, I want to show you how to find winning products to dropship for your store very quickly in around 5 minutes or less using this powerful tool called nichescraper.com. So head on over to nichescraper.com. You can use a free trial if you want it really quick, but head on over to Shopify product search, change the dropshipping filter to only showing verified dropshipping stores, change the max product price so we only see products that are under $60. We want to see products that have been added within the last 6 months. This helps to reduce saturation. We don't want to see products that have been added 3 years ago. And we want to sort by store popularity. Leave this field blank, click scrape, and it's going to show us all the Shopify stores and all their best-selling products that meet this criteria. So we can see bluecrate.com is a popular Shopify store with an Alexa rank of 25,000. Their best-selling item is this moon setting moon. We're going to scroll through because this one might be saturated on the first page. We're going to go to page like 6, and we're just going to check out all these products and see if there's anything here we can sell. So we got some anime stuff. We have some AirPods. I want to stay away from the copyrighted items. We have the stealth ring. That looks pretty cool. Jewelry usually has some pretty good margins, so that could potentially be one here. We can see when it was added on June of 2018. Let's go to the next page, see if we can find something. Okay, we got some yoga pants here. That could be some good winning product. We have this Miniverse bracelet. I like this one because I can probably target people on Facebook very well. So we're going to try out this product. So the first thing we're going to do is see if we can find a supplier for it on AliExpress. Click on this button right here, and it's going to search Google for AliExpress supplier selling this item. The first result right here. AliExpress.com, same image, so let's click on this. And yep, this is the same product right here. It's got 38 orders. We're going to find another supplier and see if it has any more orders. So scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to see from other sellers. So it looks like this is the same item right here. It's got 2,562 orders, which is crazy. It's a top brand with 98.3% positive feedback. So this is great. That shows us there's a lot of demand for this product. We have a great supplier, so that checks off our list right there. So the next thing we're going to look at is to see how saturated this product is. So to do that, we're going to right click on the image, click search Google for image, and it's going to show us other pages that include that matching image. So we can see what other stores are selling it. So we can see that merchape.com is selling it, s6fashion.com is selling it. And we just want to get an idea for how many other stores are selling this exact same product. Some of these are actually AliExpress.com, which you can ignore. So it looks like we have around 4 pages of results, which is actually pretty small for a product with this kind of demand. You know, this has almost 3,000 orders and multiple sellers selling the exact same item with more orders. So it has great demand, low saturation, and those are the 2 requirements we need to sell this product. So the last thing I want to check is to see if we can actually target this product well on Facebook. So we're going to head on over to the Audience Insights tool. If you've never used it before, it allows you to actually research interests, just to kind of give you an idea of what demographics to target. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to guess that this is probably going to be targeted towards female. So I'm going to click women. We're probably going to want to target astronomy, since it deals with space and planets and everything like that. So right here we can see our age and gender breakdown. 25 to 34 seems to be the biggest demographic here. Maybe 25 to 44 actually, since those 2 are pretty close. So let's change this breakdown here. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is maybe target people who like bracelets and see what other pages people who like bracelets are interested in. So right here, Pure Vita bracelets. Let's check them out. And they look like they have a similar style. You know, they're not dealing with diamonds or anything too expensive, since it kind of matches the same tone as this. So what I would do is target women from the ages of 25 to 44 who are interested in bracelets, who are interested in pure Vita bracelets specifically, and also interested in astronomy. And just run that ad for a few days, selling this product. You can actually add it to your store right away by clicking copy product. And what it'll do is it'll literally just take all the information from this page, the description, the images, and add it straight to your store. Alternatively, you can use overload, import it. Either way, you can just override it using overload, whatever you want. But that's how I find winning products. You can do the exact same thing with all these products here. Just go through this giant list. There's a ton here. They're all winning products. Some may be saturated, but just use the same process that I just went through to evaluate your products to make sure they line up, and you'll have a winning product in no time. So, like I said, this is using nexttrader.com. You can do this all manually as well, but this makes it a lot easier, a lot faster. So, good luck, guys. Hopefully that was helpful.